Bird. There's a pretty bird. Oh, what's that? Is that a baby? No, it's birdseed. It's a pretty bird at our new bird feeder in our new house. He's flipping lots of seeds out, making a mess. It's pretty. It has a black head and a brown body and a white chest. It's pretty windy. Lots of seeds are flying out. And he left. Where is he? There he is now. I wish I could zoom in, but I can't zoom in the middle of a video. Oh no. Wow, it's super windy now. And so, yeah, that's our pretty bird.
I think we should save it for a flip camera before our DS.
And that was our pretty bird in our bird feeder.